In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Lovable Made site with Shopify. Whether you are an entrepreneur expanding your online store or a developer looking to build the perfect user experience, this guide will help you seamlessly merge these platforms. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify store. This is where we will begin our journey of integration. Log into your Shopify admin panel if you haven't already. Once there, look for the Settings option, which you can find usually in the lower left corner of your dashboard. Click on Settings, and you'll be directed to a page where you can manage various aspects of your store. Next, we need to focus on the Apps and Sales Channels section. Select this option, and then navigate to Develop Apps. From here, you'll have the capability to click Create an App. This step is crucial because it allows Shopify to connect with external applications like your Lovable Made site, enabling a dynamic interplay between the two platforms. Now let's switch gears a little. We'll need to work within the Lovable Made site to facilitate the integration. Start by exporting your site. This export process will give you a package that you can open in a code editor, such as Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code. Having this set up in a familiar environment like VS Code makes managing your code base much cleaner and easier to work with. Within VS Code, you'll need to install a tool to help with the data interchange between Lovable and Shopify. Two great options here are Axios or a GraphQL client. These tools will help you manage requests to and from Shopify, enabling the dynamic listing of products within your Lovable UI. Once you have this set up, it's time to make the magic happen in your Lovable Made site's user interface, or UI for short. This is where your Shopify products begin to take their place on your site. Follow the necessary steps to display Shopify products in your Lovable UI. Once configured correctly, your site will not just display products from Shopify, but it will do so dynamically. This means that whenever you add new products to Shopify, they'll automatically reflect on your Lovable Made site without any additional effort on your part. And there you have it. Now your Lovable site dynamically lists products from your Shopify store in real time. This integration ensures that your site remains up to date and continues to provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers as you expand your online offerings. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you find this integration process smooth and beneficial in connecting your e-commerce tools more effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on optimizing your online business. Happy integrating, and see you in the next video.